Good morning and hello. This is Christian. As you might know, there will be no lessons at Kävlinge Lärcentrum from today, the 18th of March. Yesterday, the government decided that all universities, secondary schools and adult education will be done at a distance, so there will be no lessons. This is, of course, because of the coronavirus, because the spread should be limited so that the healthcare can cope with the sick people. So does this mean that you can chill at home doing nothing? No, I'm afraid not. Studying as a distant learner takes a lot of discipline and hard work. It means that you have to plan your time and really decide from day to day what you're going to do, and try not to do the laundry or other things when you should really be studying. But don't forget that you can be in contact with the classmates. You can even meet them if you like, but also especially keep in contact through mail and phone and other social media. We will continue to work with LawWeb, where you can find the information that you need from week to week, and also send in assignments. We're going to try to meet online with Google Meet, so we can meet the whole class together, and you will get more information about that later. Please don't hesitate to call me if you have questions, and especially if you want a quick answer, or text me. And of course you can still use the mail and other things like FaceTime or Skype if you prefer that. But please try to do it on my working hours from Monday to Friday, 8 to 4:30. When can you come back to school? Well, we don't know. It could take a few weeks. It could take more than a month. It could take several months. We don't know. So we just have to see, but we promise that we will let you know as soon as we know. So what happens if you can't finish your courses when you're supposed to? And for example, what happens if you can't do the national exam in time? We don't know about that either, but we will try to figure it out and see if we need to move the date for when your courses have to be finished, and hopefully it won't be too much of a problem for you. When it comes to money from CSN, they have said that you will continue to receive money while studying as a distant learner, as long as you're active. But you have to show that you're active, sending in assignments to be able to receive the money. If you can't do the exams that you are supposed to do in time, CSN has said that they will be understanding about that if you have to make your course longer than it was planned from the beginning. So try not to worry about that. So what should you do now? Well, go to LawWeb and go to your mail and check that for further instructions from me. Good luck, and I'll see you soon online.